Okay, so I'm sharing my screen. I hope everyone can see. If not, raise your hand. If not, raise your hand. Okay, here you can see in the study material part, you will go. Here, computer study material FA1, one folder I have created. Again, I'm repeating computer study material FA1, one folder I have created. Open that folder. Every day's board work will be uploaded, means whatever I am marking, whatever I am writing, see here, here all the previous day's work. I hope that everyone can see. All the previous day's work are there, okay? So like this way, every day's work you will get, every day's work. So today again, I will make one folder CW board work and by giving today's date, and the folder name is also computer study material FA1. Here, if you somehow network is issuing, somehow you missed the class, you have gone somewhere else, you are not well, for that case, no need to ask me. The first you see here, check the YouTube video, do everything. If there is any kind of problem, then come back to me. I will definitely help you out. Okay. Yes, Ahornish, what happened? Yes, Ahornish, what happened? Ahornish, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, can you explain me the analog computer?
Yes, analog computer back at your home. Back at your home, all of you are having the at least thermometer, because temperature means temperature for to, what can I say, for to measure your temperature. Sometimes our mother and fathers are using, right? So this kind of small, what can I say, equipment, digital equipment is known as analog computer. Though this is not looks like a computer, because while we are saying the computer, we are thinking about desktop or laptop. But here, this is also an example of analog computer. Okay. Now it is clear, Ahornish. Unmute yourself once. Ahornish, now is it clear? Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so here from microcomputer, we will start today. I will be going a little bit faster over here. So please mark those things, whatever I am marking. Also, we will try to solve the exercise as well. Okay, so here I am annotating the screen. So microcomputer, here you can see the latest technology in computer to reduce the size of the computer. Okay, because already I told you that previous means when the computer was invented, that time one computer is taking one room. Now the competition is like that. Who will make more thinner, more slimmer, more flexible computer? Every company is going to show you like that. Lenovo Yoga means computer is rotating 360 degree, like this kind of features they are just providing, right? Hence, the development of personal computers indicating that an individual can now have a computer at home and small offices. They are durable, cheap, fast, and generate less heat. The following are types of microcomputers: tower computer, desktop, laptop, notebook, and palm top. So tower computers are what? Tower computers we are not seeing very much nowadays. They are not usually portable. Okay, two types of computer: full tower and mini tower. Full tower is comes along with speakers on the system unit. Only mark this line. And mini tower, no need to read. Just see that does not carry or come along with speakers. Next, coming desktop and laptop. Here mostly we are using. Okay, desktop is sitting on the desk. That is why it is called as desktop computer and laptop computer is we can use it by taking this computer on our lap, like the way we are carrying our baby. Okay, so that is why it is known as laptop computer. Next, coming to notebook computer. Computers usually notebook or textbook size, very portable, right? The notebook computers are a little smaller than the laptops also, okay? And but perform the same task. Next, coming to palm top computer. Palm top, these are very small computer designed to be operated on palm, like mobile phone, calculator, organizer, like this. This type of computer is among the smallest size. So if I am going to ask you what is the smallest computer, you all will tell that that is the palm top computer. Okay. Now there are some advantages and disadvantages. Advantages already, whatever we have learned up to now, those are advantages. Very fast, very accurate, can do much work, never feel tired and bored. So here all those things are written. Computers are not only used for personal purpose; they are mostly used in the organization. They use computers to record data of their customers. Bank is using computers for maintaining accounts and managing financial transactions. Previously, banks generally those kind of works are done manually, but that was a very hectic, so softwares are getting implemented over there. Okay, so uh, here it reduces tasks are different. Tasks are performed automatically by using computers. It reduces the need of people getting an information is very using a computer. Next, coming to the disadvantages. Disadvantages are many. Many people using the computer for negative purpose. They play games for chat for long period of time. Okay, suppose here I want to say few more things in the advantages part. Banking nowadays, Google Pay, the name of Google Pay, all of you hear, I guess so. Also, all of you hear the Google, you all are doing, means we all are doing. Any information is not there, we are just going to Google and we are just finding everything from there. So that causes wastage of time and energy. Okay, next, social sites affecting social life. Some people are using the Facebook throughout the day, but they are not coming out from their home to play with the other boys and girls. So these are very, very bad. Mentally, it is affecting those children or those persons very, very much. Okay, so as computer reduces the need of people, it leads to increased unemployment. Like the way I told you that bank previously used those kinds of what can I say? Bank previously used the manual things for everything, but nowadays they are implementing software. So the needs of those mans are not there. So what is happening? Some people are not getting some jobs. Okay, so these are the disadvantages. So marked accordingly. Yes, Ahornish, what happened again?
Ma'am, what is the difference between notebook computers and laptop computers?
Laptop computers are a little bit bigger. Means if I'm going to see, Suppose means few 3 inches bigger than notebook. Notebooks are very small, like your book. Okay, means that computer is looking exactly like laptop, having the keyboard very small, the mouse is very small, the screen is very small. Now you understand why, where is the difference? Now I hope you all understood. So marking done. If done, I will go to the next page. Please mark it very fast. I have to clear it and I have to go to the next page. So I'm clearing this page. Also, I'm stopping the share because I will share something else. Everyone can see the photo. Everyone can see the photo. Everyone can see the photo. Please tell yes, no, or something like that. If not, if you are not going to see, then also yes, Aratrika can't see.
Ma'am, I see and I see that you see share your screen. That is the screenshot.
Yes. That is only I'm sharing. Yes, Sidin, you can see.
Yes, ma'am, I can see.
Okay. Okay. Okay, just I mistakenly mute myself. Okay. So here, what you have to do, all of you, I hope that all of you can see the screen. Here, what I am telling, listen to it very carefully. First, mark this glossary part. Whatever marking you can see, first mark those things from the glossary part. Yes, Audrija, what is happening? Yes, Audrija, what happened?
The screen is very short.
Very short. So I will zoom it more.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So I'm zooming it. First, you mark the glossary part. Okay. After that, you mark. Glossary part means here you have to read everything. After that, true and false. What What happened, Sharanya?
ম্যাম ওই স্ক্রিনটা আপনি দেখাচ্ছেন না, ওই স্ক্রিনটা কিন্তু ওইটা ওপেন হয়নি। স্ক্রিনটা ওই যে ছোট হয়ে যায়, অনেকগুলো অপশন দেখায় না, সেরকমই আছে, কিন্তু অন হয়নি।
Now, এবার দেখতে পাচ্ছো?
Yes, now it is okay.
Okay.
Arachika, why you unmute me?
Okay, mute yourself. All of you mute yourself. By mistakenly unmuted. All of you mute yourself. See, now the true false you do. Okay, T and F I have written. My handwritings are not good. Please write those things. Only these question answer we will do in copy. Here you can see that we will do it in the copy. If question number A is done, then tell me. I will just do the next question. I will just share the screen of the next question. Everyone, please lower your hands because I will take the attendance. Lower your hand. What happens, what is Snito, right? Yes, what happened now?
And I have completed A.
Completed A, only you. Okay, let your friends complete. That time I will just share the next answers.
Ma'am, please share the B.
Wait for a while. A, B, both I have shared. This entire page I have shared. Entire left page. IPO, billions, analog, binary, laptop. My handwritings are not so good. Means over here, please do it accordingly. No one will raise the hand. Are what I'm telling you are not understanding. No need to raise the hand. If it is done, wait for a while. I'm taking the attendance. Obinandon Jana, are you there? Obinandon Jana, are you there? No one should Shomak, are you there? If anyone not get the attendance, they can tell me. Okay, I know it is done, so I will share the next. This is the next page. Here. Next here, I hope that these all are done. If done, please raise your hand. Now you all can raise your hand. Yes. The question I am sharing a little bit later. First you should solve this. Means this also time to do things also we will do in the first, means question number 1 we will do in the book. All those things we will be doing in the book. Only the question number D we will do in the copy. Okay. So first answer is multiplication. Next I'm sharing again. All of you can see. If you can't see, then tell me. I will just first is execution. CUTION. Execution. You can see. Adrika, you can see. Unmute yourself.
No, ma'am, I cannot see.
Yes, wait. This is the problem of Zoom. Means I'm sharing something. Again, I have to stop the share and again I have to share. Now you can see Adrika. Now you can see Adrika.
I can see, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So this is first is execution. Next is work frame. Here handwriting is very much clumsy. Okay, so I am telling you the answers. First one B answer is execution. EXECUTION. Next is work frame. WORKFRAME. Work frame. Okay. Next D is arithmetical. Arithmetical. ARITHMATICAL. Arithmetical. ARITHMATICAL. And the next is digital. DIGITAL. And the last is hybrid. Please write everything. This all the files I will share. All these files I will share. I'm stopping my share. I hope everyone has done. So the question answer I'm sharing. I hope that everyone can see. In your copy, please give CW along with, please give CW along with please give CW along with. I hope that many of you can see. Okay, wait for a while. So this is introduction to computer, page 11. Question you will copy, also answers you will write it very fast. All of you can see. If not, please raise your hand. I'm not understanding that you can see or not. Adil Etasum. Right, unmute yourself. Adil, unmute.
Hello, ma'am.
Can you see?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, please tell the.
Please, okay. Tell me, Adil, once more. I have mistakenly mute yourself. Unmute yourself once.
Hello, ma'am.
Tell me.
Please tell the time due to multiplication is a number.
Adil, I can't understand what you are wanting to know. Every answers will be uploaded. Adil, I am not understanding because your voice is coming to me by breaking. Okay, so whatever you need to know, please watch the YouTube video while I will upload, and that time, please tell me. So heading is not needed, I think so. So heading, I hope everyone will give in the copyright CW and as well as today's date also. CW and today's date also. So I'm sharing up to this. These are 2 questions only for today. Rest of the question we will do tomorrow. Rest of the question we will do tomorrow. Please write these 2 questions, whatever I have written, like the way you should write. Okay. Complete it very fast. The class will be ending in 5 minutes.